You look like you've seen a ghost.
And have you figured out?
You do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you know about me?
Radio says there's a storm on the way. I'd say it's already here.
That you're lonely.
Where is he?
Who?
You know who.
Trevor.
Don't. This? Ivan? He's your ex, isn't he?
What?
Why is he doing this?
I've had a lot on my mind lately. Anything we can help with? No thanks, there's nothing I can't handle.
How they biting, Reynolds?
You're drunk, Resnick.
The game's over. I got proof on you.
You're going straight to hell on Route 66.
It's because I'm fucking you, isn't it? Now it all makes sense. I'm fucking you, so he's fucking me. Where is he? Hiding in the closet beneath the bed?
I don't know what you're talking about, baby.
Ah, don't baby me. Yeah, baby. I'll change my whole fucking life for you. I'll do anything you want, baby.
Talking about Resnick. Reynolds is right over there in the pit as usual, busting his ass.
There is no Ivan at National Machine, Resnick.
Stop. Whoa.
What is the big deal about a goddamn picture?
They say the guy in this photo doesn't exist. This says he does.
Trevor, I don't understand what the fuck you're talking
I'm
about.
talking about your ex, Ivan.
Trevor, I'm looking at a picture of you. Standing next to some fat guy with glasses holding a fish.
That's not me. I know who you are.
I'd like to report a hit and